Okay, here we go. I'm using .20 gram BBs, measuring it in 50 feet. Feet per second, and the hop up is not zeroed, so the FPS will tend to be a little bit lower. That's the only difference on this chrono. Okay, so here's the first mag. I got 2 mags of .20 and 1 mag of .25, so we'll just figure it out. Okay. Okay, shot number 1. Okay, yeah, that's the .25s, as you see. 403. Okay, that's more like it. 413, as I said, hop up changes it. The 403 I think was the lowest I've ever gotten with a .25. But 403 with a .25 BB is still a great FPS. Okay, there we go again. 413. Okay, and 416. I'm going to do one more from this mag, and we'll pull out another one. .410. Okay. Next, okay, yeah, that mag's out. Here's the next mag. We're just going to shoot one to see if it's either the .20s or the .25s, and then we'll continue our chronograph video. Okay, that was 416. Let me put the other mag in. Here we go. There you go. Okay, 442. This is with a .20 gram BB. .449. Shot number 3. Ooh, that's a jump, or a dip, a 426. Okay, there you go. That's the projected FPS right there, the .20s for this gun. 449, 450. And one more and I'll be done. Okay, there you go, 452. Just gotta work the gun a little bit. Okay, well, here you go. This was the chronograph test of the Well L96, the official chronograph of this gun. As I said before, using .25 gram BBs, like these. .25 gram BBs will tend to get you an FPS from anywhere from 400 to 425 FPS. As seen in the video, we had 403, 410, 413, 413, and 418, I believe. And then using the .20 gram BBs, FPS will go from 430 to 450, which is pretty much accurate to what they told me on the box. So, as my chrono said, I went 425, 444, 444, 449, and 452. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Product seen in the video is the Well L96 Sniper, or the Warrior, as some people call it. Any other information on that, just look up the review videos under my airsoft review list, airsoft review playlist on my page. And also, the newest product seen in my videos is the fidragon, or the fidragon chronograph, available at Airsoft Megastore for $55. Get them while they still have them. Okay, this has been a What You Looking At production. I'm out.